You want it? Here. Get your pancake.
Yeah.
That has to do with the flash and
Little. Okay.
What's this?
Little. Go to there. Go. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Jelly, right. Do you want some?
No.
Okay, no, thank you.
See, this is more natural with age,
Right.
but that's when they become fuzzy. See, this one.
Because the camera has to.
What's this?
To get it in natural light.
Good.
To let more light in. And it has to extend the shutter.
I do.
Both have the effect of making it fuzzy.
Good. Okay. Good.
Oliver.
Easy out of
See, like this picture, I feel like is very like,
More?
these are very.
You want it? Here. Get your pancake.
Yeah.
that has to do with the flash and
Little. Okay.
What's this?
Little. Go to there. Go. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Jelly, right. Do you want some?
No.
Okay, no, thank you.
See, this is more natural with age,
Right.
but that's when they become fuzzy. See, this one.
Because the camera has to.
What's this?
To get it in natural light.
Good.
To let more light in. And it has to extend the shutter.
I do.
Both have the
Heavy.
effect of making it fuzzy.
Good. Okay. Good.
This one.
Yeah.
I thought that
Thank
was
you.
very yellow.
What about this? You want some cheese?
Hmm.
Hmm?
No.
No? Okay.
That one looks better.
Cheese.
Do you want cheese? Yes?
No.
Chicken? No? Applesauce?
No.
Okay, I'll put it back.
Chip. A chip.
You want a chip?
Hmm.
Mommy, can you have a chip?
Like one. No, I haven't.
Three.
Can I give him
Get the two.
just 2, okay?
Two.
Please?
Yeah.
What do you say?
4.
1.
2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Oh. What's wrong? Oh.
That's
Jelly. Jelly.
Jelly. Do you want a peanut butter cracker?
No.
Do you want some peanut butter?
No.
Do you want some tuna fish?
No.
No. Yeah.
What is this?
Pizza.
Pretzel.
See, back up.
Pretzel.
Do you want your jelly? Do you want this?
It would fill in
Yep.
these dark areas.
Do you want your pancakes?
Shadow side.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave those right there, okay? Okay, Levi, you need to wash your hands, okay?
So even though the camera isn't.
I'm going to give you something to wash your
It
hands
doesn't
with.
want to because of that background light.
Yeah.
You can make it so that it will fill in. And you can do that by pushing this button.
Right. Oh, no.
Look at that.
Maria called me, Sal.
She did?
I couldn't understand a word she said. Something about, I think somebody was away.
Couldn't understand her? Goodness. I don't hurt your head.
Here I come. I'm gonna get you. How about your hands? Should I get your hands? You want to do it?
No.
Put that down. Oh, you got a little bit on your shirt. I got it.
Yay!
You do it.
Chunky boy.
You have a lot of good pictures now.
Is that a good one?
Yay!
Now, what do you do with those? Load them into your
You're on my computer right now.
3, 2, 1.
Putto!
Touchdown!
Touchdown!
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Uh-oh! You do it.
Go see what I get next.
Cup.
Clap hands.
Yay!
See it?
Well. No. No. Me.
Just with this camera.
No me. No me. No me. No me. No me.
Where's your tummy?
Tummy.
Yummy in the tummy.
Tummy.
It's like ours.
Where's your nose?
One.
Where's Ari? Where's Ari?
Sleeping.
He is. You're right, I think he is. Ari's sleeping. Does he have a Mimi?
No,
Does Ari have a Mimi?
said nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. What color?
Green.
What color is Levi?
A green.
Yeah.
You're fighting.
Yeah, you threw the pretzel on the floor. Here, turn this around. Turn it around.